Okay, boys and girls, today is the last day for our activities for the civil rights movement. So you are going to click on Friday today, social studies, and you have two assignments just like yesterday's. You have the Highland Folk School, and it's going to be very similar to yesterday's, which you're going to read the small passage, and then you're going to answer the questions that go with it, okay? So pretty similar to what we did before. This all needs to be uploaded and submitted as your assignment. And then you're also going to do the 10 cities assignment. And this one doesn't have questions that go along with it necessarily. It wants you to define racism, discrimination, and prejudice on the lines, and you can highlight examples of them in the text. So then this one we should see some editing here in the passage, and then you should have the word racism and the definition, a word discrimination, the definition, and the word prejudice and the definition. And that's something that you can just Google search the racism definition and search that. You can do discrimination definition, search prejudice definition, and search, and you can write down your answers on your page and then find examples of those within this passage. And then this whole thing should be uploaded and submitted as your assignment for today. Fun?